Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alexey, and today what we're gonna be doing is basic EQ of snare drum. First of all, let's have a listen to our snare. Now let's use high pass filter to remove unwanted bottom end. Now let's find punch region by using a bell EQ curve. Now let's add some attack to our snare, and in this case let's experiment between a bell and a shelf EQ curve. Now let's cut some mids. And finally, let's treat the ring. The snare ring lives in the mids. Now let's listen to our snare in our drums mix, with and without EQ. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like the video, and see you next time.